Hi guys. Today I'm here to give you the energy check-in of the twin flames. I'm going to separate this check-in between the divine masculines and divine feminines, and the timestamps are given in the description box, and all the other information regarding booking a twin flame reading or anything regarding contacting me is mentioned in the description box. Okay, let's begin. The divine masculines are in the energy of understanding that they need to come to a place where they can give something valuable to their divine feminines. And when I say valuable, it means that they want to come into the energy of equal give and take. There has been many times that the divine masculines, they know that they have been taking, they have been on a side of taking, they have been on a side of receiving a lot of love, a lot of support, a lot of affection from the feminines. But when it comes to giving to their feminine, they know that the feminine is extremely valuable. She is in her power, she's a goddess, and they have not been in the energy of equally giving something to the feminine. And that's the energy that is overpowering them right now. They want to give something to the feminine, and they are realizing that there is so much that the divine feminine deserves, not just from the entire world but from them, because no matter what, they know that this particular human, the divine masculine, how much he means to the feminine and what kind of place he has in the heart of the feminine. Right now they know that they need to be in a place where they can beautifully give something to the feminine. And also right now this person, these humans, these divine masculines, you can call them whatever you wish, they are not in their best manifesting energy, manifesting powers. They are absolutely going through a healing cycle, and they don't know how to actually manifest this. But it's not actually their job. All they have to do is, when a realization hits you, when you finally are in a place of receiving a realization, you finally understand that, okay, this is something that I am supposed to do, or this is my duty, or this is something that I need to do from my part, on my part. The universe opens doors for you, because that realization, the place of the realization, is extremely valuable. We don't know how much it is, but it actually is. So these divine masculines are in a place to understand, to realize, to contemplate on this very important matter. That's why the universe is like, okay, you finally understood it, now let me do my job. I'll do a lot of things for you. You don't need to worry about anything. They are not in the best energy of manifesting something, but they have a lot of support from the universe. They have a lot of backup. They're like a backup team is there for them to make them, to pull them out of that whatever energy that is pulling them down, like in the lower vibrations. There is a team of angels, you can say, that spirit guides, you can say, you can name anything. That is the team that is like bringing them out of this energy and helping them manifest, and helping them push into a timeline where they can begin something new. Okay, and there is a beautiful beginning from their side. They're all set, they are trusting, they are having faith, they know that things are going to be well, and they are absolutely ready. And absolutely they are having so much realization of what went wrong, what was the thing, what were the things that they didn't need to do, what were the things that they needed to do, how they needed to act, everything. And when it comes to the divine feminines, these feminines are in the energy of like a lot of shift is going on for them. Even though a lot of you are in the energy of like 5 of Pentacles, which is the energy of isolation, feeling deprived, feeling like not being able to sleep, not being able to manifest, not being able to look at your self-worth, or just mourning, just being sad and depressed and like anxious. Like, I'm not saying that you're doing it or deliberately. A lot of you are already, I know that a lot of you are going through a very beautiful healing cycle right now, but just saying that you are in the energy of like lack, I don't know how to do this, I don't know how to open the door, I don't know how to manifest this and that, and all that stuff. But in the midst of all those things going on in your life, you don't know that a big shift is going to happen in your life. Like currently it's already happening, energetically it's already happening, and very very soon. And this shift is absolutely about the union, absolutely about something shifting on a higher scale with your masculine. Absolute, I know this is not something that it's not how it looks right now, but it's like that. So just trust me, because that is what I'm picking right now, and that is what in the cards right now. The shift that is about to happen in your life is going to be regarding your masculine and you. Whatever stage you are on right now, something is going to shift and bring you to another level, to a different level, to a new level, and to a higher level. Absolutely, because you have cleared a lot of things on the lower vibrational scales, lower scales, whatever you want to call it. You have cleared a lot of things on the wherever you are right now, and now you are all set to go on a higher level. And that is the shift that is about to happen in your life, both of your lives, because I'm seeing that on the divine masculine's side there is a new beginning, and on your side there is a huge shift. So absolutely, it does make sense that these shifts are going to happen simultaneously and for both of you together, and they are about you two together. Okay, I've kept the energy check-in short because it's my first video regarding the current energies. But if you want to book a personal reading with me, all the details are mentioned in the description box. You can ask. You can also visit my website to see the client reviews, and you can also check my client reviews on my Instagram page as well. And you can contact me, you can text me on there, or on my Facebook page. You will hear from me, absolutely hear from me. So this was it. I hope you liked it. I hope it resonated with you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.